It's Smart Money Monday, and joining us this morning is Shaun Mitsui. He's the Kaneohe branch manager for Bank of Hawaii. Shaun, thanks for being with us.
Hey, thanks, Dan.
And the topic today is estate planning. That's a big topic, but it's important to talk about, right?
Definitely, yes. Estate planning, when you hear someone mention estate planning, what that usually means is that typically someone's talking about how they will transfer their assets after their death. These assets will go to a combination of one of these four places. So one, they'll usually go to their heirs. They'll go to their maybe church or charity of their choice. Three, they'll go to the IRS. And four, the courts or attorney fees. And generally speaking, most people would rather have their money and assets go to the first two.
One or two,
right?
not three or four.
Exactly.
Now, does it cost a lot of money to set up your plan, your estate?
Well, estate planning can be a very costly process if it's not done correctly. If a proper estate plan is not set, then your money and assets will go through probate, which is like a way that your property and title gets transferred without going to your will or anything of that sort. If your property does go through probate, then your money and assets will be subject to a lot of court fees and attorney fees. So generally speaking, it can be a costly process because an average cost of probate can be up to 5% of your total assets.
Really? So that's a lot of money going somewhere you don't want it to go.
Definitely.
And so there's different things you can do. We were talking before we came on the air here, different things you can set up, like trust would be one of the things you would consider, right?
Yeah. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to set up a trust. A proper trust is set through some documents that you can maybe legalize where after you pass, you can have someone set up as a trustee to act as your behalf. Also, with a trust, what you're basically doing is you're explaining where and who you want your money and assets to go to, so that you can be protected and you don't have to worry about the probate and whatnot.
Right. So you're avoiding some taxes on your heirs that would take some money away from what you're passing along. So if you got real estate, or I mean, it doesn't even have to be real estate. If you have assets in jewelry or anything like that, this is something you want to do.
Correct.
Now, the Bank of Hawaii is really great about having seminars on a regular basis that talk about things like estate planning and many other topics. Where would I go to find out when the next one is?
Well, what you can do is you can go to our Bank of Hawaii website at boh.com. You can check it out. We have a bunch of seminars that cater to the community, especially estate planning, and they'll show you the time and dates where you can actually attend those.
Yeah, great informative sessions and seminars from Bank of Hawaii. Shaun Mitsui, thank you very much for being with us.
Appreciate it.
That's Smart Money Monday.